The price of natural gas is trading at a level of $4, and I've clearly explained you that as soon as the price started going above a level of 3.68, chances are very high that it can move further upside. See, 3.68 is already a resistance which is above this particular level. See, you have to understand and keep this in mind, a level of 3.68. 3.68 is a strong support as well as resistance, so or a strong level. So if the price sustain above this level, a further upside can be seen, and if the price goes below this level, a further fall can be seen. After this, the next support coming at a level of $3.2. Okay, and you have to understand that level also. After 3.68, a level of 3.2 will act as the same as what we have seen in 3.68. 3.2 again, a bounce back can be seen, but if that didn't bounce back, we can see a further fall. Okay, now third thing is that keep this in mind, 3.68 and $3.2. If the price sustain above this level, a further upside can be seen and can touch a level of 3.68. If it goes below this level, a further fall can be seen. If the price goes below this level, a further fall can be seen. Okay, third thing is that there is a gap still pending at a level of 3.72. So if the price fall below 3.72, that means if it started going below this level, it will fall below this particular level. Chances are very high it will move towards $3.52. Okay, this is a huge chances that the price, if it started falling below this level, chance of touching 3.52 can be seen. Okay, this level, as soon as it started going below this level, touches this particular level, and from there if it bounce back, then we can see it will touch again and then further upside. But if that didn't touch and goes below this level, chance of touching 3.52 is there. Okay, and once started going below this level, chance of touching a level of 3.35 can be seen, and then a further fall. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, the price is already above a level of around $4. Okay, so you have to understand it is trying to go upside. Okay, and this particular pattern is supporting an upside trend because the price is already above a strong level of 3.68, which is I've clearly mentioned you that. Now if the price sustain this level, and chances are high, yes it will, and once started going below this level, you have to keep this level okay in mind. If it started falling below this level, we can see a further fall, but if the price keeps sustaining above this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, so if it's sustain above this level, probability of crossing a level of 4.1 can be seen, and this 4.1 is already weak, so we can see the price will rise above that level, and from there it can touch a level of $4.23, and this is the level where we can see that the price can rise above that level, and from there it can touch a level of $4.3, and once started sustaining above 4.3, we can see a level of $4.56, and if the price going above that particular level, we will see it can touch a level of 4.93. Okay, and this is what we can see in the price if it keep moving above this level. Now once started going over 4.9, a further upside can be seen. But suppose if the price started going below this particular level, what we can see, suppose if it started going below this level, chance of touching 3.81 can be there, and once started falling below this level, it can touch a level of 3.63, and chances are high we can see it can touch a level of $3.5, and once started sustaining below a level of 3.5, a further downfall towards 3.36 can be seen. And I have already mentioned you that after 3.68, the next support coming at a level of 3.2. So after 3.36, we can see a level of 3.2. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if that didn't bounce back, we can see it can go further down towards a level of 3.13, and once started going below this level, chances of falling below a level of $3 will be there, so we can see it will fall further down below a level of $3.